Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a Microsoft Teams meeting with a client. Click the New Meeting button to open the meeting creation dialog. A new meeting window appears with fields for your title, attendees, and time. Type your meeting title into the title field. For this example, I'm calling it Client Meeting. Type the client's email address into the attendee field. For this example, I'm using client@gmail.com. Then click it when it appears in the dropdown to add them to the meeting. Once you've set your meeting time, click the Send button to create the meeting and send the invite. A meeting created dialog appears with your meeting details and a join link. Click the Copy button to copy the link to your clipboard. The button changes to Copied to confirm it. External attendees like clients will show with a small external indicator next to their email when you add them, so you'll know they're outside your organization. If you need to change the meeting settings before sending, like who can bypass the lobby or who can present, click Meeting Options in the New Meeting dialog to adjust those before you hit Send. You can also copy the meeting link after sending by opening the meeting from your calendar and clicking the meeting details. And that's how to set up a Teams meeting with a client. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.